Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Evolution Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Evolution Payroll Login. Then go to Employee Portal or go to payrollpartners.evolutionpayroll.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Evolution Payroll. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Evolution Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to I forgot my password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.